Hi guys, welcome to Cryptus cybersecurity channel. So in today's video, we're going to see top 25 Linux command. So first is ls. ls command is used to list up all the files present in the current directory. So we will simply write ls and it will show all the file in the present directory. So next command is pwd. This command shows the present working directory. So we will simply write pwd. It will show we are in this directory. Third command is if you want to change your directory, so we simply write cd, and if you want to go in desktop directory, we'll write desktop and check in which directory we are by writing pwd. We can see we are in desktop directory. So next command is echo. Echo command is used to display the text passed in as argument, just like it is using shell scripting. So we'll simply write echo. I will write some text. You can see it has print this. Now next command is mkdir. It is used for creating the directory. So we will write mkdir and directory name. So we can also make multiple directories. We will simply do ls. You can see directory has been created. If you want to create multiple directory, we will use sudo kdir new directory 1, 2, 3, 2, and many more if you want to create. Now another command is rmdir. It is used to remove the directory. So we will use rmdir, and suppose we have to remove this directory, new directory 1. Okay. dir 1. Now we'll do ls. We can see directory 1 has been removed. So now next command is touch. It is used to create file, text file. We will simply write touch and we'll give the name of the file. So I'm giving text file ls. You can see file has been created. If you want to write something in this file, text file, nano text file, and we write something like hi. Like this, you can write anything you want to do. So this was all about touch command. Now next command is grep command. Grep command is used to search the a specific keyword in the file. So like it is work as a search bar. So if you want to search any keyword in the file, so we will use grep command. So I'm using here grep, and I'm using -c. -c is used for count. It will tell the how many times this word has been present in the file. So sorry, -c, and file name. So we can see one time. The command is man. It is used for manual. Like if you want to see detail of any command, like what is the description of it, how we can use it. So we will use man command. So let's take man, and I want to see the detailed description of grep command. So I will use man grep, and here you can see all the details of this command, like its name, description, all the option we can use. So this is how we use this command. Next command is mv. It is used to move or rename any file or directory. So we have to simply write mv, and suppose I want to rename this file to new directory 7. So I will write first the old directory name 6. Now I will write new directory name. I will do ls. You can see it has renamed the file. Now next command is cat. What does it do? It display all the contents of the file. So I'm writing cat and file name. Sorry, text file. Whatever I have written in that file, it's shown here. So this command do this. Now next command is head. What head command do? It print 10 first lines of the files like head, and we will give name of the file text files. Sorry, file. See first 10 lines of the file. We want to see last lines of the file. We will use tail command. See this. If you want to change password of your system, we will use pass, do d. We'll ask for new password. So I am again. Password updated successfully, as you can see here. Now, if you want to see history of your like past commands, we will use history command. It shows all the commands which we have used in past. Another command is clear. Like if you want to clear the screen, we will use clear command to clear the screen. It has clear all the screen. Now another command is ps command. ps command is used for showing the process which are running. So simply write ps. It will show these processes are running. Now next command is less. So less command is we use the file without, like you want to view the file, but it will not allow you to modify the file. So like less text file, we can only see the file, like read the file, not able to modify it. So you can see already it has written end here, like we can't able to modify it. So yeah. Next command is pipe command. So what does it do? Pipe command, this command. So it takes outcome of one command and use it as input for another command. So let's see example. Get text file, we'll use pipe, and we'll use less. It will show the contents of this file but in less format. Okay, you can see we are able to see the contents but in a less format. So next command is ping command. Ping command is one of the most used basic Linux command for checking whether the network or server is reachable or not. So we will simply write ping and I will write google.com. So you can see it's working. Another command, if you want to check your IP address, so you will use if config and able to, you are able to check the IP address. Now we'll clear it. Next command is unzip command. Unzip command is used to extract the zip files. So we will use unzip. I want to unzip this file. We'll write unzip. The file has been unzipped. So next command is, let me clear this. So next command is wget. What does it do? Let you download file from the internet. So we'll simply write wget and any link of the file. So I'm writing here. You can see we are able to download this file. So I'm doing Control Z because okay, it has been done. Another command is if you want to check the user, we will simply write command who am I. It will tell the user root is there. So if you want to okay, so next command is exit. If you want to exit from this terminal, you have to simply write exit. Now we are out of the terminal. So thank you for watching this video.